I don't want me to get hurt, and I want to get out of there. Because if the next thing I say causes them to reach back behind and pull a knife out, but they didn't come with a knife already out, then I want to think about how I say things, not just what I say. What you're going to go and practice more than the techniques is the ability to stay relaxed when the emotions occur. Because if you can't defeat that emotion, your decision, your follow-through is what's going to be hindered, right? Whatever that decision is. If the technique's even just walking away, not even running away, okay? It's important to stay relaxed and comfortable, or appear comfortable. And it's important to, when the situation arises, that you just keep a degree of comfortability. If either chemical, eustress or distress, goes high, and epinephrine kicks in, and the result is they can't hear what they don't remember what they're even saying, or they don't remember what you're even saying. When I deal with the anger by just being quiet for 30 seconds, because I want the stupidity to pass so that you can think soberly. Not because of the alcohol, but because of the emotion. Because thoughts meditated on create emotions. Something he's been thinking about created that emotion, whatever it is. In the intoxicated state, he felt comfortable enough to take an action, which he's responsible for. But I don't want to deal with someone who's intoxicated taking this action and angry. And I'm trying to talk to them. If I pick up a fence, I can put it down. If they're angry, I don't have to pick up their anger. It's a choice. Watch this. I'm going to tell you an amazing self-defense technique. I'm going to tell it to you. I don't have to demonstrate it with my hands. Watch this. Forgive everyone for everything, every day, quickly. If you can do that, you'll disarm most situations. You'll stay relaxed. Your decision making will be sharper. Your ability to see a situation for what it is will be sharper. Without question. Don't be gentle this time.
I don't know.
Now you're not hitting.
Strength.
You're just touching and pushing through. Okay? It pinches.